Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yatenga ssentebe wa NRM agudde Olusirika lw'ababaka abalonde aba NRM saako n'abo abayita mu bifo eby'obubaka nga tebalina bibiina kyokka nebakkaanya okukolagana ne NRM nga luno luvumbujjira ku bbanguliro ly'abakulembeze Kyankwanzi Leadership Institute. Mu kwogera kwe, President Museveni akubirizza abantu okukola ennyo ate nti beewale obulyake n'okusabiriza olwo basobole okugaggawala.
If you are corrupt, not only are you going to misuse government resources, but you will become a bad example. If all the others copy you, where will the country be? If we capture this, the summary of which I have given you, we can't go wrong. Uganda's economy has been growing very fast in spite of this mistake. Powered by whom? By the private sector and the army which guards peace.
Ono era aweza okuzza bujja olutalo lw'enguzi oluvannyuma lw'okuba nti kye kimu ku ebyo byagamba nti bizza Uganda emabega.
Don't please, I beg you. And I also not tolerate corruption. If it's necessary to have a new war, I will have a new war. It's very bad. It diverts us. Corruption, for what? Corruption is cowardice. You fear to confront life yourself. Then you think the shortcut is stealing. You think shortcut is stealing. So why can't you be proud to earn from your sweat?
Abulidde abeetabye mu lusirika luno nti omuntu yenna ategeera bulungi ekibiina ki NRM alina okutegeera ebintu bibiri okuli endowooza n'enkola yakyo.
If you want to understand the NRM, you have to look at three words: ideology, philosophy, and strategy. The second, mission. This one deals with the historical mission of prosperity. This generation must create prosperity for the African people. In the past, African people were slaves. In the colonial times, there was poverty. If you check the figures, by 1962, I think only about 4% of the people were in the money economy.
Jessica Alupo nga y'amyuka omukulembeze w'eggwanga asinzidde wano okuyozaayoza President Museveni olw'akalulu ke yawangula.
Your Excellency, I would like on behalf of all the congregation here to congratulate you for your overwhelming victory as the NRM presidential candidate in the just recently concluded elections. And in the same vein, I congratulate all colleagues here for overwhelmingly participating in the election, supporting you, and also winning the election as members of parliament elect.
Olusirika luno lwakubeerawo sabbiiti ennamba.
It is my pleasure to open your seminar. Thank you so much. Our seminar.